Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to make YouTube Shorts in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're creating viral shorts, gaming clips, motivational edits, tutorials, or cinematic short-form content, DaVinci Resolve gives you powerful editing tools for professional-looking vertical videos. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project from the Project Manager screen. Before editing, change the timeline resolution to a vertical format like 1080 by 1920 for YouTube Shorts. Next, import your clips, music, sound effects, and images into the media pool. To improve the overall look, open the color page and adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and cinematic tones. Before exporting, preview the short carefully and check timing, captions, transitions, and audio sync. Once everything looks good, open the Deliver page and export the video in high quality using vertical settings. After exporting, upload the video to YouTube Shorts, then add a title, hashtags, and thumbnail before publishing. And that's basically how to make YouTube Shorts in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With fast pacing, captions, music syncing, and cinematic effects, you can create engaging short-form content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.